In last class, you have learnt about types of feet and claws, and also you learnt about the downstroke movement and upstroke movement. Now, in this class, we are going to learn about the nesting habits of birds. Okay, dear children, where are you living? Yes, you are living in your home. Now, tell me, which are the materials used to your home? Yes, in your home, using stones, cement, bricks, materials, the metals. Okay, those are we use to our home. See here, the birds are also leaving their home. Which is their home? Their home is their nest. Here the birds are living in the nest. Already you saw nest in different places, in ventilator or in your old home or in the field. Okay, see here near my home there is one nest. Okay, I saw nest and it forming their nest in the pumpkin. Okay, see now which are the materials the birds use to build their nest? Which are the materials? Leaves. Already you know different types of leaves: neem leaves, tamarind leaves, banana leaves, grass. They are using the leaves, different types of leaves. Twigs. Twigs means small sticks. They are using small sticks to build their nest. Mud. They are using mud also. Pebbles. Here, what is the meaning of pebbles? Here, pebbles means small stones. Small, small stones we called pebbles. Cotton. Already you know the cotton. And sometimes they are using paper. Piece of paper. Thread. Cover also. They are using different materials to build their nest. Dear children, now we are going to learn when we are answering the three questions. Already we learnt many things. See now tell me, when do the birds build their nest? See here the birds are not building their nest when they want to build. See here the birds are build their nest when they want to lay eggs. On that time only they are building their nest. Okay. Why they are building the nest? We are going to learn in next class. See here, when they want to build and when they want to laying the eggs, on that time only the birds are build their nest. See, after laying the eggs, here mother bird laying the eggs. Mother means female bird laying the eggs in the nest. After laying the eggs, what are they doing? Here, father bird and mother bird sit on the eggs. What are they doing? They are sitting on the eggs for some days. For some days. What are they doing sitting on the eggs? They are giving the warm. That means they are giving the heat. What are they doing? They are giving the heat. After some days, the eggs are break down or hatch out, comes baby baby birds from the egg. Okay, hatch out or comes outside from the egg baby birds. Okay, this is the one step. Next, here when the birds are comes from the eggs, who are giving the food to them, who are taking care, who are protecting them? Here the parent birds, male bird or female bird or mother bird or father bird, they are feed the food. They are feeding the food. They are protecting. They are protecting. They are they are taking care. Here which birds are feeding? The parent birds are feeding to the baby birds. The parent birds are protecting the baby birds. The parent birds are taking care about the baby birds. Okay, and next, teaching to the young birds. Who are teaching? What they are teaching? See, already you know that the main strength of bird is flying. What is the main strength of a bird? The main strength of bird is flying. Who are teaching to fly? Here the parent birds are teaching to fly. How the birds are flying in the sky? Here the parent birds are teaching. Who are teaching to the young birds? The parent birds are teaching to the young birds. See, here when the young birds are learnt how to fly in the sky, they left the nest. What are they doing? They left the nest. See, here once the young birds are left the nest, automatically the parent birds, male bird and female birds also left their nest. Next again, when they want to lay the eggs, they build new nest again. They are not coming to their old nest. So sometimes we are seeing the empty nest. Okay, dear children, this is about the nesting habits of birds. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to learn about birds build nest too. That means why do birds build their nest? See, first one, lay eggs. See, here already we know that the birds are building the nest to lay eggs. Okay, next, second one, hatch eggs. Here, this is also one reason, hatch eggs. That means already I told you the baby eggs are come from the baby birds comes from the egg, that is we call hatch out. So hatching eggs. See, third one, protect their eggs and young ones from heat, cold and rain. Here this is also one main reason, protecting their eggs and young ones from heat, cold and rain. See, in the rainy time, cold time and heat time, how we are staying in the home, like that they are building the nest. Next, fourth one, guard their young ones. Guard means protecting the young ones from their enemies. From their enemies. Okay, so this is the reason birds are building the nest. Now, types of nest. That means where they are building the nest. See, in old building. See, dear children, all of you observe the old building. We are seeing the many nests because there is they get peaceful weather. Okay, so they are building their nest in old building. See, roof of the top. See, in the top of the roof, we are seeing the nest. All of you observe in your home. Bushes. Bushes means in trees. In trees also we are seeing the what? Nest. In the field. All of you observe in the field. That means in Kannada we call hola. Okay. Next, on the ground. See, on the ground some birds are build their nest. Example, partridge bird. Which bird? Partridge. Next, here some birds are build their nest of holes of the tree or wall of the tree. Which bird? Owl. In Kannada we call goobey. Okay, this is about the types of nest. Next, we are going to learn about the migration of birds. What is the meaning of migration? Here, the journey of bird from one place to another place we called migration. That means the birds are moved from one place to another place. That is we called migration. Example, here my own native place is Kottur. When I am going from Kottur to Bangalore, that is we called migration. Here the birds are also moved from one place to another place. Here some birds are moved from Kottur to Bangalore. That is also we called migration. Okay. Kottur to Bombay, that is also migration. Okay, here the some birds are migrate from other country to India, India to other country. One bird is come from the Siberia to India. That type of bird we called, that bird is called Siberian crane. Here Siberian crane. Siberian crane migrate from Siberia to India. Siberia to India. S means Siberia, I means India. See here, why they are migrate from one place to another place. See here, extremely in cold places. In cold places, they are not getting their food. Okay, they are not getting their food. So that reason they are journey to warmer place. They are journey to warmer place. So the birds are migrate from one place to another place. Dear children, this is about the why do birds build their nest, types of nest and migration of birds. Thank you my dear children watching this video.